which way they've come in.
Thornbill comes from DCP.
In now it's all done, that's good. Flies away. Just check. So now we've got way out. It's like a little paintbrush that just picks up the fluids by capillarity.
Okay, anytime.
Right, calm down.
Anytime now.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Beautiful.
So again, it's just a simple process of finding how they've got caught, which way they've come in. Just pluck them out.
Do you know what species it is?
Yeah, this is a white-browed scrub wren.
Yep.
Yep.
They're fairly plentiful.
They're common ground foraging birds in shrubby areas. Yeah.
Right.
And
So it's tiny. You'll have to have a really tiny band for it.
that's right. So this is actually not the tiniest. So it's not the tiniest of the birds that we get here, but the second tiniest. So yep, common birds in this region.
Excellent. Well, good stuff.
We'll have several features that will actually help them keep tabs on their buddies and so forth. They'll often have a bit of white here, and a bit of white in the wing is a common feature of a lot of ground foraging birds. So the others nearby can sort of keep tabs on them as well. Normally these birds would go across and preen
There you go.
and just settle everything down again. So
Oh, beautiful.
yep,
He's very happy. He looks much prettier now.
yeah, he was happy until he a little bit partly darkness here. Little kids were always concerned. Oh, they're going to put they won't be able to breathe. They'll suffocate. But
Is it? Beautiful. Oh, okay. Gorgeous.
So this one's a New Holland?
no, this is a crescent honeyed. This is a female crescent honeyed. It's got a band on its leg
Oh
already.
yeah. So
Yep.
that you've caught that one before here on the property?
That's right, and this is information which is really valuable for us because it'll drop a few feathers. Just while we get that wing out the way. And he's out now. It might have even been one we caught yesterday.
Well, then it's a very silly bird, isn't it?
Yep, it is one we caught yesterday.
Caught yesterday. So they have quite a defined home range then?
At this time of year, probably not, because they're not breeding. When they get breeding, they'll definitely have a well-defined home range. But these are probably just moving around at the moment.
Yeah.
There's very little flower around here at the moment. There's a little bit of Eucalyptus cosmophila just behind you there, which is flowering, which is what this bird would have come in to feed on.
So they have to work quite hard at the moment.
At the moment, they probably do. Yeah.
You wouldn't have been allowed to go. Well, we went to the fire station. They showed us how to go up the line.
It looks
Yeah, a bit high. Little flocks, so catching a number in a net is quite
normal.
common.
They have a thorn on their bill? Is that a stupid question?
No, I'm not sure where the thornbill comes from. DCP?
I think it's the small beak, so thorn and then bill.
So it just looks like a thorn.
Tiny thorn for the beak.
Okay.
But it gleans insects off. And this one particularly gleans insects off eucalypt foliage.
You can see. Cool.
I'm surprised you've
Was
got
it a
any blue
recapture or a
wrens.
new one?
A new one.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think the blue wrens would be hopping around here.
Yeah, we got some wrens yesterday.
Did you?
Yeah. Yeah. They like this sort of dense, shrubby
Yeah, they would love it.
bush and stuff.
So because they've got unique numbers, you just record the band number when you recapture the birds, and all of these data get put into a computer database so that you can keep tabs of them, and they get lodged centrally in Canberra where the banding scheme is run. So these little straighted thornbills will weigh about 6 or 7 grams. And that one doesn't need a band, so you just have to be patient there.
Not stressed.
Calm down.
24 grams take away 17 is... This is the mental arithmetic we used to give the 7. Year 7s and that.
He probably was
The other one here, so I'm going to get you to put that in. You're right-handed, are you?
Right hand, yep.
Yep, so you put it into your left hand.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. That's an adult. I'm just going to make a little pocket for it. I'm going to get you to pull the finger. See that leg? That's this one here is the one I want you to put the band on. That's good.
So that one or the...
This one here. That's why I was pulling that one Just take your fingers and close that band.
Around it? Yep.
Yep.
Doesn't matter which way it is?
No, it doesn't matter. They can't read it. So
Yeah, I mean, it's often pretty easy. You'll find often dead ones are found on roads.
Yeah.
That's where
yep,
people
that's
are.
good. Close that as much as you can with your fingers. Just push hard.
It'd be rare to come across one there, but you know.
It's great. No, a bit more than that.
Yeah.
And it was still the band and identified as what it was.
My fingers are getting in the way.
Yeah, just hold the leg out a bit further for you.
Thank you.
Yeah, I guess
There you
you
go.
might be able to.
That's
again,
good.
you probably wouldn't see what-
No, that's fine. And then you just put the pliers over, and you can see where that seam is. You want to close that up so it closes up. So just get that up against the side of the pliers.
And again, you have to. occasionally
You can
have
now close that off. There you go.
That's a juvenile. That's all I know. That's very common.
Oh, yeah.
Band,
Good.
you know,
Is he?
alive birds.
Winky.
You don't get
I'm going to drop him in
definitely
there.
travelled that
You drop him in.
distance
I'll put my hand
before.
around there.
He's been banding since he was,
So these two you're going to try and release them at the same time because they're...
These two
that
go
the
together.
one of his birds was accidentally.
Yeah. Yeah.
That wasn't actually on the bird.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
again, you've got to be a bit
20,
careful with
24.
some of those records.
Okay, so it's going to weigh 7 grams as well. Anything else to help identify some of these things? You can hold that one along with. That's good.
And it got on the.
Just get your fingers
Oh,
just a
that's
little bit.
right.
Okay, anytime.
Right, calm down. You're
Anytime now.
ready? 3, 2, 1.
Beautiful.
No, calm down.
So it's much better, yeah. And good variety. Yeah. So you're going to have a special job once you've banded yours. You're going to be able to give it some food and watch its tongue come in and out.
So this is almost in through there. That's good. And no, not too tight. Just relax your hands a bit. And I'm just going to get its leg out for you. You got that? Just now push those 2 fingers together so that leg stays there. That's good. Put it over the leg and try and close it as much as you can with your fingers.
Interestingly, these birds have slightly bigger skulls than they do on the mainland. And that's just part of, I think, island biogeography, where
Yep, that's correct.
animals just tend to be slightly bigger on islands than they are on mainland.
You're going with
so,
that.
So occasionally we have picked up.
Even
that.
now it's all
Species
done.
that
That's
are
good. Pliers away.
But the same as
And
mainland, don't they?
Just
Like,
check.
That's not
Yeah.
very species.
Yeah.
Oh, the kangaroos are smaller. Like,
So now we're
I've
going to
got a
weigh it.
few of those.
So take 17 away. I'm just going to get you to carefully shift that down here without spilling it.
Yeah, I feel that bit much, sorry.
And you can see the little brush tip tongue at the end of it once they get a taste for it.
Doesn't look like a flower, that's all, so it takes a while to get them going. There
There's
it
a little
goes.
brush tip
wow.
tongue. And that's going in and out about up to 10 times a second, believe it or not.
It's a little bit like a paintbrush. So,
So
it's
it's really
like a
just-
killer reaction.
There we go. I'm just going to put it in your hand, doesn't matter which hand. So it's like a little paintbrush, so it just picks up the fluids by capillarity.